Okay. So guys, last class we are discussing string. So in that, what we can learn, guys, string, string buffer, string builder, and string tokenizer is there. So that guys, we already completed string and how it is. What is the internal flow up to that string, guys? Means 1 minute, guys. Someone going to join. Yeah. So how many ways to we can create that string, and what is the difference between string and string buffer, and how what guys equal method, how it is going to checking, and what is the purpose of that equal method, sorry, equal operator. So we already completed, right guys? So
Yes,
today
sir.
we can complete what is the difference between string and string buffer, string and string buffer. uh, Someone joining. Yeah, what is the difference between string and string buffer, and how it is going to printing, and what are the ways we can print the data, we will see guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me guys, how many ways do we can create that string?
The two ways we can create the string by using new operator and the string literal.
Okay. And what are the heap area and string constant pool guys? Which object it is going to storing in string constant pool, and which object it is going to storing into that heap area guys, tell me.
Mm, so in the heap area, if we create new operator, then it is stored like heap area and also SCP. And if we create string literal, only stored like SCP.
Okay. Okay guys. Yeah. Yeah, and string we can create in two ways, guys, by using that string literal and by using that new operator. So when you are going to creating that string literal, at that moment the data can be stored in that object can be stored into that string constant pool, guys. And when you are going to creating that object string object by using that new operator, at that moment it can be creating that two object, guys. Here is that heap area, it will be created as well as a string constant pool also it will be created, right guys? So when when we are going to creating that string literal, at that moment, before going to creating that object inside that string constant pool, at that moment that data is already existed or not, it will be checked, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if it is already data is available into that SCP, so it is not able to create one more object. That reference variable pointing to that existing object, guys, right? So
Yes,
that
sir. Yes, sir.
equal operator can be checked. Here that equal operator always check what, guys? Only reference comparison. If two reference variable pointing to that same object, then that result it will become what, guys? Boolean value as a true. If that reference variable is not pointing to that same object, at that moment it will be print what, guys? Boolean value as a false.
Yes, sir.
Yes, getting or not this point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Someone. Yeah. So guys, now we can see what is that mutable, what is string mutable, and what is string buffer is that how it is string buffer is that immutable. We can check, guys. Okay. So guys, you people
Yes,
can
sir.
check here. I'm going to writing that one POCs, guys. You people can check here.
So your string is not visible.
My screen not visible. Oh, sorry.
Not,
Now.
yes, sir, visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Okay. String, right? Yeah. String example 3, I'm going to taking as a class name. Already. Yeah. Tell me guys how we can create that string literal object. String
String is equal to new string.
string literal
Within
s
the double
equal to
quotation.
within the double quotation we can give that value. Right guys. This is the way we can creating that string guys. Right. So what we have to do, this is that string guys. This is that string. Is it possible to modify guys? Is it immutable or mutable?
Commutable.
Mutable or immutable, right? Means modification
Yes,
not
sir.
allowed guys here, right? You people can check here guys. If people can check how it is a modification allowed or not, we can check guys. You people what we have to do, if we want to add what guys, there is a one of the method is there, string dot concat offer guys. If we want to add that to string, there is a one of the method is there, right? Concat method. So in that, what should I to do? I'm going to adding what guys? One more string, that is that an hour, right? So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to printing system.out.println of yes. What is that output, guys? Tell me. Nenavata,
Phenomenon.
Shrinu Nenavat. Yeah, this is the one of the scenario, and there is a one more scenario is there, guys. Mutable. Mutable is nothing but which object it will we need to create, guys. String buffer, right?
Yes, sir.
String buffer SB equal to new string buffer. This is the way we can creating that string buffer object, guys. But when we are going to creating that object inside that word, guys, we are going to creating literals only, right? Inside that string buffer object. So here also I'm going to creating what? Chino and what, guys? This is that what, guys? Mutable or immutable?
Mutable.
Commutable.
Means modification allowed, right? You people can check here, guys.
So
Modification here.
modification allow only deep area, not a
Yeah, it will be created. Modification means that string buffer is that nature is that modification allowed, guys. Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
In that string class, string literals, it means that concat method is that modification not allowed. How it is not able to allowed, I will show you practical, right? So you people can check, guys. Actually, when you are going to using that string class, at that moment, if we want to add the one more string, then what are the method we are going to using here, guys?
Concat.
Concat method we are going to using for the adding to that one more string. Okay. So inside that string buffer class, what are the method is there, guys? String buffer class is different and string class is different. String class can contain few method and string buffer also having to that some methods, right, guys? So at that moment, what we have to do, if we want to add one more string, there is a one more method is there, guys. What are the method is there? SB data append is that method, guys. What are the method name?
Append.
Append, right? So what should I to do? I'm going to writing that word, guys. Ninavat here. You people can check here, guys. What I'm going to do in here. String s equal to new string. String s equal to string. I'm going to add it and yes that concat of Ninavat. Mean you people can check here, guys. Once that object string object is created, then modification allowed or not, guys.
Not
Forcibly allowed, sir.
Sorry.
Forcibly allowed, sir.
Forcefully allowed. Then what is that? What is the output here, guys? Tell me. What are the output for this? Srinu Nenavata. You can check here, guys. What is the output? It will become. Only. What are the output came, guys? String is that making miracle, guys. Alright. If you are not good into that basics, then definitely you will go to the wrong answer only. I already given that very clearly here. String is that mutable or immutable, guys?
Immutable.
Immutable means once that object is created, it's not able to modify it, guys. Why? Yeah, okay. If it is not able to modify that object, then what is the use of that concat method? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here is that concat method also not able to modify that object, guys. It that concat method it can be adding two different string, right? It is not able to not able to modify, guys. Concat method is that what is the purpose of means it is going to what, guys, adding to that two different string, guys. That is the purpose we are going to use in that concat method. But what I am going to doing here, just adding that one string literal. So string literal what happened, guys, it is not able to modify that already existing object. I am going to trying to that adding, right? Yes or no, guys? It is not. I'm going to
Yes, sir.
trying to that adding the one more string, but it is not able to allowed. Means what we have to do if we want to apply that concat method, there is a one more approach is there, guys. I will show you. Right. So you guys, you people to tell me, guys, what is the output for this, guys? System dot out. Srinu. Srinu. Srinu Nenavatar. Srinu, guys.
String, sir, only or.
Srinu. You people are
Sir,
really,
immutable, sir.
yeah, you people are really confusion here, guys. You people can check here. What is the output came here, guys? You people are forgetting this line. This you people are you people.
Immutable, sir. I'm saying immutable.
Oh, immutable object. I'm asking to that string buffer object, guys. Okay. Yeah. So string buffer object can be modification allowed, but string object is the what, guys? Modification not allowed. Right, guys? So what should I to do here? You people can check here one more how we can modify that how we can modify the, add that one more string, guys. by using that concat method we will see. You people can check here guys, what should I to do here? String s1 equal to, I'm going to give in what guys, same name here, and string s2 equal to what guys, s1 dot concat of Nenava. Now tell me guys, what is that output for this? What is the output guys?
Yeah.
Nenavat. Nenavat it will be print or Srinu Nenavat it will be print guys. Srinu Nenavat. So I'm asking to this only. I'm asking this only guys. Srinu Nenavat. How it is going to printing, you people can check here guys, what it will be happen internally. You people to know that what guys. See here, Srinu Nenavat it's came. So guys, you people can check, where is my, yeah. You people can check here guys, when I am going to adding that string, at that moment string and string buffer is there, right guys? So this is that what are the area is there guys? There is a two memories is there. What are those methods areas guys? Heap area and what guys? One more, string constant pool, SCP, right? So when we are going to adding to that, what guys? First string s equal to Srinu. At that moment, this object will be stored in where guys? This object will be stored. This object will be stored heap area or SCP. SCP it will be stored, and what are the object it will be point guys? Yes, yes only, right? So in inside that SCP, I'm going to using what operator here, guys? Concat operator. Concat operator is nothing. A concat method, what it will be do? That modification, once that object is created, that modification not able to allowed, guys, inside that string. Because of this is the string is a class. It is a what, guys? It is a internally. It will be defined with what keyword, guys? Final keyword. So once that string class is declared with that final, then is it allowed to modify, guys?
No, sir.
No, right? So that is the reason here is that modification is not allowed. That modification not allowed. That is the reason our output came only Srinu. But you people can check here, guys. You people can check here. What I am going to doing here, I'm going to creating that string object, the string buffer object. Then string buffer object will be created in where, guys? In heap area, right? So heap area it is going to creating that object, and what are the reference variable it is going to pointing, guys? SB. So SB is that a reference variable for this object, and it will be storing what object, guys? Srinu. So what should I to do? sp dot append of Nenavat, right guys? So this is that string buffer object is that what, guys? There is a nature mutable mod means modification allowed for this that string buffer, guys. String is that modification is not allowed, and string buffer is that modification allowed. How it is going to allowed means, there is a nature means it is that what, guys? What we have to tell, that concat method inside that string class, inside that string class, it's that concat method is not able to modify it because of that once that object is created, we are not able to modify it. But inside that string buffer, we are going to modify that object, right? Guys, come to that third point, guys. Come to that third point. What I am going to doing here, string s1 equal to string I'm going to using, and at that moment, at that moment where it will be where it will be create, guys, this object. SCP area. SCP area, that object is that what, guys? Strino. Strino already is there. Strino already is there where, guys? Pointing to that which object? Yes object. Yes or no? So before going to creating that object, it will be checked inside that SCP already content is that available or not, it will be checked. Yes or no, guys? So content is that already having that line number 6, right, guys? We are already given. So what it will be happen? There is a S1 object is there, and it will be pointing first of all to this object. Yes or no, guys? This object can be this reference variable pointing to this that same object. So what I am going to doing here, concat of I'm going to adding one more object, guys. So it will be what, guys? It's not able to modify that existing object, guys. It is not able to modify that existing object. Yes, when we are going to using to that string s2 equal to s1 dot concat of nenamar, at that moment internally what happened, guys? It will be create what, guys? There is a separate object will be created, and what, guys? This is the what, guys? S2 object will be point. This object, this reference variable data will be printed. Guys, this is that Srinu Ninava printing to that word, guys. Reference what, guys? S2 reference object, it will be print. So what it will be available here, guys? There is a Srinu Nenavat, it will be stored inside to that S2 object. Guys, getting, or you people are confusing here?
No, sir,
Getting clearly, right? Srinu Nenavat is that pointing here, guys. That is the reason this is the output will become. Right? Yeah, this is the way we can what, guys, we can print that string and string buffer. But there is a one more question is there, guys. There is a one more question is there. What if we create that string s equal to Srinu, and what, guys? If I you people can check here, guys, that there is a one more scenario is there. What is that scenario? I'm going to creating one more scenario, guys. You people can tell me that answer. See here, string s3 equal to I'm going to adding what, guys? One more object as a Reno, and there is a what should I to do here, guys? S1 s3 dot s3, right? S3 equal to s3 dot concat of what, guys? I'm going to adding one more new object, guys. You people can tell me now, guys.
CNU Softlearn.
CNU Softlearn, it will be print off. How, guys? Tell me.
It will be stored
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And we are forcing the conquer the Softlearn, sir.
Okay.
S3 equal to S3 dot contact means we have to adding the SNU
Okay.
Softlearn.
Excellent. Right, guys? So if people are getting or not, this is that interview questions, guys. Definitely they will ask. They will give that this kind of question, guys, and you can identify that what is the output. Right? You should be strong into that SCP as well as what, guys? Tape area when it is going to creating which object where it is going to creating, you should be strong into that, guys. Right? So guys, today we will go through that word, guys, equal method. There is a we have a equal operator is there and equal methods is there, guys. So guys, tell me what is the difference between equal operator and equal method? You people know very well, right? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have small doubt in here.
Yeah, you can.
Sir, we can, sir, here, line number 22.
Okay.
S3 equal to, we can add S2 dot content.
S3 packet of
S3 equal to
yes,
Softlearn.
yes,
Is possible, sir?
yes. We already complete doing this only, right? Means
Sir, no, sir.
see,
S3 equal to
S3
S3
equal to
equal to S2.
S3
S2.
equal to S2, right? So what is that
Yes, sir.
S2? Mean yeah, S2 is that already pointing what, guys? S1 object.
S1. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So yeah, it is possible because of what it will be do, guys. It is having to that is different string. You people can check here, guys. Means I'm going to adding to that. You are saying to that reference variable, ah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
S2 having to that S1, guys. So S1 already that string is there. String already having what, guys? Srinu is there. So Srinu, what I am going to do? I am going to creating new object inside that string SCP. String SCP already created string a new object, guys. Again, what I am going to do here? I am going to creating S3. S3 means it will be storing into that SCP and S3 dot S3 equal to S3 dot concat of S2, right, guys? So it will be create a new object entirely. See here, guys. See here, guys. Getting or not? How it is happen internally? You people are getting or not? This, guys, means
Yes,
it is
sir.
going to creating
Yes, sir.
separate object, guys. It will be going to it will be created separate object. Already that there is a already that pointing what, guys? S2 first of all S1 pointing to that S1 pointing to that tree, no. So it will be create one object. So what I am going to do here, S2 equal to S1 concat of Nenavat. At that moment, what happened, guys? S2 equal to there is a one more object it will be created and that pointing to that S2 object, guys. Right? So this is that new object it is happened, right? And what I'm going to do in here, string s3 equal to Srinu, so that one more object will be created for that reference variable as a s3. So s3 pointing to that word, guys, s3 dot concat of means that s3 object will be created one more object, guys. That link will be divided. It will be remove that link from that Srinu and that link will become to that word, guys, Srinu Nenavat, that there is a one more link will be added, guys. You people getting our confusion here?
Yes, sir.
Getting right? So see here, guys, this is
Yes.
that one object for that Srinu. Where is that? Yeah, this is that one object, right? And what should I to do? There is a one more object is there, guys, for that word, guys, s2, right? So here what I am going to do, s3. So s3 first of all it will be created like this, guys, for that s3. And internally what I am going to doing here, guys, s3 equal to s3 dot concat of s2. So s3 see here, guys, s2 is that already pointing to that word, guys, Srinu Nenavat, right? Srinu Nenavat is already there. So what should I to do? It is going to creating what, guys, one more new object it will be created for this it will be it will be, see guys, this is the pointing to that this object, right? Same object, what it will be happen guys, that link will be removed from this existing object, and this link will be goes to that this object, guys getting or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the way internally it will be done into that string, guys, in SC. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So if you want to add in S3 area, S3 equal to S2, is it possible?
S3 equal to?
S2 dot contact.
Yeah, it is possible or not, you can check, guys. See here, you can check when you how to that what this kind of thing, because of each and everything we are not able to explain here because of we have a lot of concept pending now. Okay, we will go to that. Then if you have that you can try, then what it will be happen, how it is they happen internally. If you know, if you don't know, then you can ask, guys, right? This is that I'm explaining to that 3 to 4 examples here, right? You can try with yourself, and if you are having to that any doubts, then you can ask to me, right? You are asking to that what,
Yes,
guys, now
sir.
question,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what is that your question now?
So S3 equal to S2 dot contact.
Contact, no, contact adi.
Sorry, contact.
S2. Yes, then
Then within a double quotes we can write running answer.
yeah, you people can check, guys, now. What is that? Yeah, already S2 is there. S2 pointing to what, guys? S2 pointing to that S1 concat of Nenavat, and already S1 is to that what, guys? Srinu. You people can check here, guys. Already S1 is that pointing to that this object. Here is that Srinu, right? So, and what I am going to do here, guys? S2 equal to S1 dot concat of Nenavat. So it will be created separate object, guys. It will be creating separate object, right? Guys getting or not this line? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to creating one more object, guys. S3 equal to Sino. So means it is also creating that one object, guys. So what we need to do here, S3 equal to means already some object is there for that S3, right, guys? This is that object is that already available into that SCP. So what should I to do? I'm going to concatenating two different object, guys. This is that S2 is that two different object, right? Inside that S2 having the what are the data is there, guys? Srinu and Nenavat is there. Srinu Nenavat is there, and we are adding what, guys? One more concat, right? I'm adding to that adding the data one more word, guys, Nenavat. Then this data it will be print, right, guys? This what Srinu Nenavat and Srinu here it will be print what, guys? This is the data Srinu Nenavat and Nenavat it will be print. Means it will be creating one more object, guys, separately. Guys getting or not?
Yes, sir.
See here, guys. Guys getting or not? Srinu Nenavat and Nenavat. I'm going to adding to this object. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And guys, there is a one important method is there, guys. What is the difference between equal operator and equal method, guys? Tell me.
Mm. Equal method take only the value and along with the data type.
Equal method value it will be check off. Okay. And what it will be check, guys? What equal operator
Equal operator counting the reference.
reference. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead, guys. What is the difference between what? Equal method and equal operator, guys. I'm going to creating here what, guys? I'm going to creating what? Yeah, one constructor I'm going to creating here, and you people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating what? This is that zero parameterized constructor. Yes or no, guys? So what should I to do here? I'm going to passing what, guys? One parameter inside that the string, inside that constructor. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to passing as a name. Then you people to check how we can create that object, guys, for this class.
String example.
The string example, in fact,
Mm,
is equal to new of
Excellent. Right.
Okay.
Inside I'm going to give in what, guys? Trino. And I'm going to creating one more object for this, guys. I'm going to creating one more object for this and example one. Now tell me, guys, I'm going to checking that condition by using what, guys? Example one dot what, guys? There is a I'm going to using what operator here, guys. I need to check what are the operator, what are the method we need to check, guys. Tell me. There is a equal method is there, right? So equal method dot example one. What is the output it will become, guys? Tell me.
True, sir.
Sorry, true or false?
True, sir. True, sir.
True. How it is come as a true, guys? Tell me.
For example, one is pointing to object, sir. Object value is string, sir. And
Excellent.
example one is also pointing to string. That point and it is storing string is object, sir. That example one is string and equal to example one. But on pointing to object, sir. Object is string is string.
Mm-hmm. Is it correct? That's all. Yeah, yeah. I will show you guys what is the output is there, and we will. You people are missing. There is the internal things is there, guys, into that equal method. So I will explain you. Right, guys. So what should I to do here? What should I to do here? I'm going to creating one more string, guys. Here, I'm going to creating string s1 equal to s equal to. I'm going to give in what, guys, in hour, and I'm going to creating one more object, guys. That is s1 equal to what, guys? Same. I'm going to give in hour, right? I'm not giving that different, guys. Should be same. If I mistake, then I will copy paste here. Right, guys. Then tell me what is the output it will become. yes dot equals of yes1 is the output, guys.
Is also true, sir.
Is also true. Okay, very good. Okay, I will show you. And there is a one more scenario is there, guys. String s3 equal to new string of I'm going to creating Softlearn and one more string I'm going to taking here, guys. S4 equal to new string. I'm going to give in same string, guys, here, right? And now tell me, guys, what is the output it will become? S3 dot S3 dot what, guys? S4, right? Equals of S4. Tell me, guys, what is the output it will become? Yes, what happened?
No, sir.
People are confusion, huh?
Yes, sir.
This is the only string only, right, guys? Basics. Huh? Yeah. So I will explain you guys all the scenario. You people can check here, and I'm going to creating one more scenario, guys. String buffer. Come into that string buffer, guys. SB equal to new string buffer of I'm going to give in what, guys? Inside that string buffer, I'm going to give in what? Hmm, I'm going to give in what, guys? I'm going to give in what, guys? Example. Okay.
Yes.
And you people can check here, guys. I'm going to give in one more object for that string buffer and string buffer sb1 sb1 equal to new string buffer of what, guys? Same object I'm going to print in here. I'm going to give in that same object inside that string buffer 2. And now tell me, guys, what is the output it will become? sb dot s sb dot equals of sb1. Guys, getting or not? In this scenario, tell me, guys. In this scenario, tell me what is the output it will become? False or true?
True, sir.
True or?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the scenario you are saying to me as a true. And now tell me, guys, what is the output for this? True or false, guys? Just tell me, no problem. If you tell that wrong or
True.
true. Yeah. Now tell me, guys, in this scenario,
Sir, I think all are true, sir.
all are
Because
true
of
or?
True also.
Yeah. No problem. You can
Yeah,
tell
true.
you can tell, guys, what are the wrong is there and what are the right you are going to tell it. You people can observe here. Here is that also true you are thinking, right? Yeah, excellent. But you people really surprised here. All are true. You can check here, guys. Check, guys. What are the output came here? False, true, true, false. Guys, getting or not? Why it is what happened? What happened first of all internally? How it is going to printing? You people are really good into that equal method or equal operator. What is the purpose of that equal operator and what is the purpose of that equal method? So equal method belongs to that which class, guys? So equal method is available into inside that string class or inside that where, guys? Where it is available string method, guys? Equal method.
String, sir. String class.
String equal method belongs to which class, guys? Equal method belongs to which
forget, sir.
class? You are forgetted,
Yeah.
If you forget like this, then there is a multiple concept it will become, guys. At that moment, how you people to remember? Huh? Guys, actually equal method belongs to object class. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Equal method belongs to object class, guys. So that object object class, this is that equal method belongs to which class, guys? Object class only, right? So at that moment what happened, guys? That object class equal method always checking what, guys? Always checking that reference comparison only. Object class equal method always checking what, guys? Reference comparison, right? You people can check here, guys. Yeah, if it is that reference comparison, then what is the output it will become? That is the true only. Why it is getting that false? Yes or no, guys? Your point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, coming to that diagrammatically, guys. Coming to that diagrammatically, you people can check here, guys. If you are strong into that area, and there is a one more, yeah, there is a one more thing is there, guys. What happened? This is that equal method belongs to that object class. Yes or no, guys? Object class it will be belongs, but this is the string class, right, guys? This is that string class.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is that string only. So what happened, guys? Internally that string class is that this is that object class, guys. If people can check here, this is that object class, this is that object. So inside that object class there is a word, guys. Equal method is there, right? So equal method what happened, guys? Inside that, guys, I will tell you with proper the explanation, then you people can get. Because of here is that a little bit complicated, this is the concept. See here, guys, there is a class is there, guys, that is that object, right? So inside that object there is a method is there, guys. Almost 11 methods is there, guys. Inside that object class method there is 11 methods is there. I already explained you guys what are the
Sir,
right?
I remember.
You remember, right?
Yes.
There is a equal method, tostring method, hash code method, get class method, wait method, wait
Yes,
zero
sir.
parameter,
Method.
wait one method,
Right.
wait two parameter, and notify all, right, guys? So this all are belongs to that object class only. I already shown you people, I think. Yes or no? You people are other stream.
No, sir.
I'm not able to show it to you. Okay, no problem, guys. I will show you that also when we are going to explaining what, guys. There is a concept is there, guys. Yeah. Then you people can remember here, guys. There is a object class is there. Guys, you people who don't know which one is that superclass for that all the classes. Superclass for the all the user defined class and pre-defined classes.
Yes, sir.
Which
The
one?
user
Which one is that superclass?
Object, sir.
Object only,
Object.
right? Guys, 1 minute. There is a internet disconnect.
Dial 112.
Yeah. So guys, what happened here? There is a word, guys. Object class is there. Object class can contain that 11 methods is there, guys. 11 methods is there. So that there is a one more method. We are going to discussing what method, guys. Now equal method, right? So this is that equal method, guys. Public, there is a public and boolean is that a return type, guys. Boolean and what, guys? Equal method, right? This is the this is that word, guys. Method inside that what equal method. So here is that returning word, guys. True or false. Boolean value it will be returned, right? Boolean value. Boolean value it will be written, guys. You people to remember here. So guys, internally there is a user defined class and predefined class. There is a super class is there, guys, right? That super class is means object is a super class for all user defined class and predefined classes, right? So what happened here, guys, when I'm going to using to that here word, guys, string, right? This is the string object we are going to using. Yes or no? So at that moment, what happened, guys? String is a predefined class and it is extended from where, guys? String class extended from where? String class extended from where, guys? Object class only. When that string class is that extended from that object class, at that moment automatically this method will be override, guys. This equal method will be overridden, guys. You people too, you are very strong into that oops concept, right? So overridden method we can write our own logic or already which one we are written inside that parent class, that logic should be required into that overridden method, guys. Second logic means which one we wrote into that parent class, that logic will be right into that overridden method. Yes, sir. Overridden, guys. Overridden method. We can write our own business logic, right, guys? In overridden method, it's not able to require which one we written inside that parent class logic is not required to write again. Just you can override that method and we can write your own business logic, right, guys? If people forget, no, right? So what happened here, guys? What happened? This is that object class can contain that equal method, and it is what, guys? It will be written what boolean value. But when string is that when string is extended from that object class, at that moment equal method it will become inside that where, guys, in string class, and string class will be check what, guys, string class this is that what, guys, boolean this object class equal method is there, and string class also having that equal method. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. So object class equal method always checking to that reference comparison. Why it is that why this what guys SOPLN getting that false means if people can check here guys, there is a object class equal method can be written as a checking that what guys equal reference comparison, but when we are going to extending to that string class from that object class, at that moment that equal method will be overridden inside that string class. So string class equal method behavior is that different guys. String class behavior is that string class what guys? String class equal method is behavior is that different, right? You people can check here inside that string class. This is the string class. I'm going to creating the string only, right? You people can check here, guys. There is a equal method is there inside our this class. Inside this class any you people can check here guys, example one dot equal method, example one dot equal method means where it is going to check guys. First of all, see here guys, you people are forgetting that concept everything. Example is that what is example here guys? Example is this is that example, right guys? This is creating of that string example object. Yes or no guys? So an example dot equals method. I'm going to calling what method guys? Equals method. You people can check here guys. You can it will be checked that equal method belongs to that this string example 5 in this class. Any equal method is there? No, right? So there is no equal method. Then what happened guys? It will be checked where? Which class it will be checked? Object class means we are not able to extending that object class. How it is possible? You people getting or not that question? Yeah, guys, internally compiler will be added. What guys? This is that extend keyword will be added and that object class will be extended, guys. Guys, getting or not? Yeah, at that moment, what happened, guys? There is a equal method can object class can contain what object what method, guys? There is a equal method, right? So you people can tell me that object class equal method what it will be check, guys? What it will be check? Reference it will be check or content will be check, guys? What equal it will? Sorry. Equal method it is not available in our class. First of all that compile guys, there is a when I'm going to executing this application, at that moment what happened guys, example dot equals method I'm going to try to calling here. At that moment it will be expecting this reference will be expect, oh this equal method will be available inside that this class only string example 5 class. It will be available, it will be checked, right guys? It will be checked and it will be goes to that string example class and it will be identify where is my equal method. I'm going to calling to that equal method. Yes or no guys? Yeah, equal method available inside that this class, guys. No, then what happened? There is not able to identify that string what guys equal method. Then what guys, JVM will be check. JVM will be check. What is this class, guys? First of all, it will be checked. This is the what type of this class. Means see you people can check here, guys. I'm given by how it is going to goes to that different class means you people can check, guys. What is the definition for that string? Group of character. String can be represented as a group of character. Yes or no, guys? Group of character we can call as a string. Means that string can be it is act as a string class only, right guys? Yeah, At that moment, what it will be happen, what it will be happen, internally compiler will be added guide extend keyword, and that what guys object should be that class should be extended from where, in object class. Then compare what JVM it will be do. The JVM will be do what guys? Yeah, there is, this is that string kind of data. So string is the predefined class. String is that extended from that object class. So may be available that equal method inside that object class. That equal method may be available into that object class. I need to go and check into that object class. Then that JVM will be analyzed and it will be go into that in object class, guys. Now tell me guys, there is a inside that object class, there is a what guys, equal method is there or not? Yeah. So this equal method will be executed guys. This equal method will be executed, but object class equal method will be written. Object class equal method always checking what guys? Reference comparison only. Reference comparison is nothing but this equal method pointing to that what guys, both reference variable pointing to that same object or not, it will be identify here, right? So that equal method, 1 minute guys, hello. Ah, oh sorry, my half an hour after. Yeah, guys, tell me this equal method, object class equal method always checking to that what guys, reference comparison. You people must and should what guys, remember this word guys, that equal method always check what object class equal method always check with what guys, reference comparison. Then you people to tell me guys, you people to tell me, yeah, this is that object is creating and there is a what guys, two different object will be created. Yes or no, guys? Srinu is there, and one more object is that Srinu is there. Yes or no, guys? You people to know very well. And what is that object class reference variable? It will be checked, guys. Tell me that both reference variable pointing to that same object or not. It will be checked. Yes or no, guys? Then the both the reference variable pointing to that same object or different object, guys. Hey. This is that SCP area, guys. This is that heap area, guys. This is that pointing to that say different object, and this is the reference variable pointing to that different object. But this equal method always checking this both reference variable pointing to that same object or not. It will be checked. This both reference variable pointing to that same object or different object. Different object. This is when you people using that new operator, it will be create separate new object, right guys? I said multiple times. Yeah, that is the reason that object plus equal method will be checking to that both reference pointing to that same object or not. Then you people can check here that both reference variable not able to pointing to that same object, it is pointing to that separate object. That is the reason this output come as a what guys, false. Guys, getting or not? Guys, getting or if people are confusion, please let me know. I will explain one more time. No problem for me. Or else I need to go next concept, next case. You are clear. Remaining guys. Okay, guys. Okay. So one more time. Yeah, very good, guys. You people can check here, guys. You people can check. First of all, you should be strong. That is the reason I said you should be strong into that overriding, overloading. Basics that very important. I said you, right? You should be remember, guys. Right? Day by day, that concept it will become complicated. Right? See here, guys. First of all, there is a object class is there, guys. The object class is there. That object class is the super class for that all the user defined and predefined classes. Now tell me guys, this is that user defined class or predefined class? This is that example 5. String example 5 is that user defined class. Yes or no guys? So user defined class means there is a this class also having to that there is a super class. Yes or no guys? What is the super class for this predefined class? Object. Yes or no guys? There is a what guys super class for that string example 5, that is the super class is that object class. But object class can contain how many methods is there guys? Almost 11 methods is there, right? You people should be remember guys. What are those method is nothing but equal method, hash code method, tostring method, and what guys? Uh, get message method, wait method, wait 0 parameter is there, wait 1 parameter is there, wait 2 parameter is there, and notify all, right guys? Yeah, almost it is 11 methods is there guys. You should be remember it. Okay. So what happened guys? Sorry. Yeah, that is that almost 11 method is there guys. You people can check. Okay, 11 methods. As far as I know, that is that 11 methods is there, guys. You people can check. But what are the methods is there? You should be remember, right? Yeah. Then what happened, guys? What happened? I'm going to creating that what guys? Predefined class. I'm predefined class object. I'm going to creating. Yes or no, guys? I'm going to creating that string example class object. I'm going to creating, and what are the parameter I'm given here guys? I'm going to creating one string. What it is guys? This is the constructor. That is the reason it is expecting what guys? One parameter, that is that name, right guys? I'm given that name. So it can be called as a string or not guys? Tell me. This is the string class. We can call as a string only, right? So what happened guys? First of all, I'm going to creating two object guys. For that string example 5, I'm going to creating two object. String that reference variable about guys, example is there and example 1 is there, right? So what should I to do here? Inside that SOPLN statement, I'm using what guys? First reference object guys. First reference variable for that string example object. So guys, example dot equals method. I'm going to call in. Yes or no guys? Example dot equals method. Then JVM what it will be check guys. Yeah, that equals method may be available inside that example class. Yes or no guys? First. So it will be goes to that. What is example here? Example is a reference variable for what guys? Example 5. So this is that example directly it will be go to that example 5 class, string example class. So this is that class only. Yes or no guys? Inside that string example, there is a what guys? Equal method is there or not? It will be check every line. It will be identify is there guys that equal method? No, there is not available to that equal method. Then JVM how it will be checked? Yeah, this is that word guys. This is a creating what string related data it is going to create it, but that equal method is not able to available inside that word guys. String example means that string class is a predefined class, and that is extended from where internally that class will be extended from to that object class. So that part of we are not able to extended what guys manually. Internally compiler will be what guys, it will be add that to that extend keyword, and that class will be extend guys. What is the class name here? Object class. Object class it will be extended internally. So then that JVM will be analyzed and it will be goes to that where guys inside that object class only. So object class may be available to that equals method. We will check that what guys JVM will be analyzed and it will be identify that equal method inside that where guys, inside that object class. Then object class can contain that equal method or not guys, tell me. Yeah, so object class can contain that equal method, but this equal method always checking what guys? This object class equal method always checking only reference comparison. Guys, this is the word you should be remember. Reference comparison, it will be check. How it is going to checking? This method will be check. Yeah, that object can be that reference variable pointing to that same object or not, it will be checked. See, you people can check here guys. I'm going to checking I'm going to checking two reference guys. This is that example, you people can check here. Example is that reference variable, and example one also reference variable, yes or no guys? Yeah, this both reference variable pointing to that same object or not, it will be checked. Now tell me guys, example pointing to that separate object, it is going to creating separate object, and example one also having to that there is a new keyword is there, that is the reason it also will be created separate object. Now tell me guys, this equal method checking both equal reference variable pointing to that same object or not, it will be checked. It is pointing to that both reference variable same object or not guys? It is pointing or not? Yes sir. It is pointing to that different object guys. It is pointing this example pointing to this object, and example one pointing to this object. It is going to checking both are pointing to that same or not, it will be checking. That is the reason that output come as a false guys. Guys, now getting or not? Yeah. So this is that internally happened for to that string class, right? Which class equal method it is going to executed guys? Inside that string class or inside that object class? Object class equal method it is executed. Guys, you people to remember here. Object class equal method it is executed. That is the reason it's coming as a false. Now, can I go to that next case guys? How it is getting that true? Now tell me guys, now tell me what I am going to doing here, how it is happened, why it is getting to the true guys, tell me. String literal. Okay, yeah, that is the one of the word guys, way to explain, and one more explanations is there guys, one more explanation. Okay, what are the another way to we can explain is nothing but this is that what are the method we are going to using here guys, you people are what guys, what are the method we are going to using here? Equal method. You people can check here guys, you people can check uh, previous last class we are going to using equal operator always checking to that reference only, right guys? Then how it is happen here, how it is getting that true means you people are saying to me, yeah, there is a scp memory is there, when we are going to create into that what guys, string literal, at that moment this object will be storing inside that where guys, inside that scp area, and scp area having to that word guys, creating this string literal object, and it is going to pointing to that yes reference variable to this object, and one more is there, yeah, one more is there guys, that is that s1. So before going to creating object inside that scp area, at that moment what guys, that content is already existed or not, it will be checked. That is the execution flow you people to know, yes or no guys? So there is a Srinu Nenavat, that data is already available in scp, That is the reason it's not able to creating one more object. Is going to pointing to that this object only. That is the reason is going to printing as a true. You people are thinking like that only, right? No, that is that inside that string, that is not a correct way, guys. Yeah, object class only. You people can check here, guys. You people can check here what it is going to checking to that reference only. Reference it will be checked. Yes or no, guys? But there is a equal method. Nature is that different, guys. Inside that, see, guys, when you people are creating this kind of string object, literal string literal, right? When you people are going to creating that string literal object like this, at that moment that string can be, this is the string class, right, guys? This is the string class, right? So this class extended from where? Object class only. At that moment what happened, guys? This equal method is there, right? This equal method it will be come into that string class, guys. Inside that string class it will be overridden this method. Okay, at that moment what happened, you people can check here. In object class equal method nature is that different. It will be checking only what, guys? What reference comparison it will be checked inside that object class. But when this equal method overridden inside that string class, at that moment that equal method nature is that different, guys. This is the nature is nothing but it can be checking what, guys? Content comparison, guys. Inside that string class you people can check here, guys. Public public class string, this is the string, right, guys? String so this is that extended from where, guys? Extend from object. When it is going to extend it from that object class, at that moment which method will be overridden, guys? Here public and boolean equals method it will be overridden. And what, guys? It will be checked. There is a return type is there, guys. Written as a boolean data, guys. Boolean data. So what it will be happen, guys? This is that object class reference variable always checking to that word, guys. Reference variable, reference comparison. But when I'm going to extended string class from that object class, at that moment that equal method it will become, and this equal method what, guys? What it will be check? Content. Both object are pointing to that same object or not, it will be checked, guys. This equals method. Content, this both reference variable pointing to that same content or not, it will be checked. Guys, getting or not? Which one? Yes, yeah. Above example. Yeah, there is a, yes, that is that two words you should be remember. In this object class method will be check as a what, guys? Reference comparison. Yeah. So this scenario, this string what, guys? This is the literal, right? Yeah, this is the literal, right? So literal means string literal will be check overridden this method, guys. This method checking to that content only. Content both reference variable pointing to the same reference or not, it will be checked, guys. both reference pointing to that same data or not, it will be checked. That is the reason it is getting that true. You people can check here, guys, this equal method. When when we are going to printing this data, this line, guys, at that moment, what happened? This equal method come or this equal method will become, guys. String class equal method it will become or object class equal method it will become. String class object equal method it will become, and it will be checked, guys. There is a both object, both reference variable pointing to that same object or not, it will be checked. Then both reference variable pointing to the same object or not, guys, tell me. Data is that same or not, guys? Yeah, that is the reason this is that output come as a true, guys. Yeah, what I said you, that is that correct or not? Can we confirm, guys? Really, I'm going to changing that instead of capital N, small n, I'm going to using that capital N, guys. Okay, that now you people can check here. This is that equal method checking what only content, both content equal or not, it will be checked. Now you people can analyze, guys, both content are same or different. Then what is the output? It will become false. This happened really or not? Can we check, guys? Then you people get or not? Yeah. Yeah, what happened, guys? It is getting again. So see here, guys, what is the output? It's get false only. What I explained you people, that is working fine or not, guys? Now you people are satisfied or not, guys? Or you are confused, right? This is the way. This is the way it will be executed, guys, internally. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, that is the reason I said you guys. Sometimes we can check what, guys, by using that equal operator. Sometimes we can using by using that equal method. Where, yeah, that is the reason I said you guys. This is that equal it will be checking that this method will be check what reference comparison it will be checked. But in this equal method always checking what, guys? Content comparison. Clear or not, guys? Getting right? You are confusing, huh? Where you are going to confusing? Tell me. Here, yeah, yeah, yeah. You simple. You can say, guys, where this object will be created. No, no, no. Where it is going to created this object. Deep areas. Where deep area it is going to created. Correct. So this equal method, what it will be check reference. Yes or no, guys? So now tell me, this both reference pointing to that same object or different content. You are checking to that content, not object. Object is different and content is different, guys. Here, guys, getting or not? Really, that string making to that miracle, guys, for us. In interview prospective also, those people are left and right, they will ask questions. You people are thinking, yeah, what happened? That there is a content is that Srinu is there, huh? And I'm printing to that say example dot equals of example. Then both are content what same object, same content. We are missing to that word, guys. Reference. What is this equal will be forgetted. This equal will be pointing to that same reference variable pointing to same object. This is that object, guys. Inside that object, content is there. That content is different, guys. This is the scenario. This is the way we can talk what content is that different and object is that different, guys. That is the reason. You people are just a little bit confusion here. That only. Yes. Yeah, that is the reason it should be remember, guys. Really, that interviewer also will be confusion to like this only. You should be strong into that. Yeah, content is that same, but that reference variable not able to pointing to that same object. It will be created to different object, right? So that is the reason that output come as a false and that equal method. This in this scenario that equal method from came from where, guys? Object class equal method. It will be checked always what, guys? Reference comparison only. But yeah, this scenario that object class equal method is not able to come. String class equal method it will become string class equal method having to that word, guys. It will be check content comparison. Yeah, this equal method it will become and it will be check both reference variable pointing to that same object or not. It will be checked. If it is pointing to that same data, then it will be create word, guys. It will be print true, otherwise it will be print false, guys. False. You are clear in that, right? Yeah, guys, tell me, this is that next scenario. You people are getting or not? Getting, right? And come into that string buffer, guys. String buffer also you are getting or not? Guys, this is a string buffer is that scenario is that different again. How you are going to saying to that this is a false? Tell me what it will be say. How it is getting that true? What, guys? False. Tell me. Yeah, same as like, guys, how I'm going to explaining to this what, guys, string. Same as like, but there is a string is that overriding where, guys, from that string class. But string buffer it's not overridden equal method from that object class, guys. It is not able to overridden into inside that what string buffer class. It will be executed which method, guys? Object class equal method. It will be executed, right? Is pointing to that different object and this also pointing to the different object. That is the reason is what, guys? Object class equal method always checking what, guys? Comparison both equal method, both the reference variable pointing to that same object or different object. It will be checked. Is pointing to the separate object and it will be pointing to separate object. That is the reason it is getting what, guys? False. Yes, clear or not? So this is the way you people do tell, guys. Right, guys? Yeah, that's all, guys. From the this class, so we will go through that one more method is there, guys. That is that method I will complete today. You people I will move to that next concept, guys. That is, there is a tostring method is there, guys. What is the purpose of the tostring method, guys? Tell me.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. Hexadecimal.
Here.
Okay, we need to access the, we use the string method, we are printing the same procedure.
Okay. Tell me, guys, in this scenario, I'm going to creating one main method, and here I'm going to what, guys? Int I equal to 101. I'm going to give in, and I'm going to give in what, guys? String name. This is that name, guys. So what should I do here? I'm going to creating what, guys? One more constructor. I'm going to creating constructor. There is a two ways we can create constructor. What are the ways we can create? How many types of constructor is there, guys? Hello?
Two vectors.
Two
Two
vectors.
type of
What are those? I'm going to create. I'm going to creating that object, guys, here. String example 6 and example equal to new string. There is a two ways we can create, and we need to give what, guys? That values we need to pass here, and I'm passing what, guys? String. Right? Now tell me, guys, what is the output it will become? I'm going to printing example. What is the output it will become, guys? What is the output, guys? Tell me.
For example, that hexadecimal value, sir.
Hexadecimal value of what we have to call that?
I forgot it, sir, what you said, means that it's a
Yeah.
AB1.
Yeah, that is, yeah, it will be print that hash code, guys. Hash code of that object, hash code of that class, right? If people can check here, guys, is going to printing hash, right? This is that hash code, guys. Our class name, and this is that hash code, guys. Right? So, guys, now tell me, I'm going to printing one more way. Is there, guys? SYSO of example dot tostring. I'm going to using that tostring method. Guys, tell me what is the output it will become.
I think 101 and series, sir.
101 on screen it will be print up. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating that flow. You people can analyze here, guys. You people can analyze.
The tostring method is not there, sir.
Yeah, then what it will be print? Again, it will be print same. Yeah, it will be print that same. You people can check here. Guys, we people are getting or not remaining. See here, guys. How it is happened, guys? Tell me. Right. Execution flow. Tell me, guys. Anyone? What is example here?
Example is string example instructor.
Right, guys. This is that object creation. So what it will be happen? I'm going to calling that tostring method. See, internally that internally example is that calling this method only internally. right? So that is the reason. First of all, what happened here, guys, you people can check here. This is that example, means example class, it will be go. It will be goes to that and there is a, it will be checked. There is a tostring method is there or not, it will be checked. Going to that string example and it will be identified that what, guys, tostring method is there or not, it will be checked. Tostring method available here, guys?
No.
Not available. So not available. That is the reason what it will be happened. Compiler will be added what, guys, here? Extend from that which class?
Object class.
Object class. So it will be goes to that again where which class, guys? Object class. Object class can contain what method, guys?
Tostring method.
Tostring method is there. Then tostring method will be executed what, guys? There is a hash code method is there again. Hash code will be printed. Can we check, guys, that is really happened or not? Yeah.
Yes.
See here, this method available into that object class. If people can go to that implementation. This is the tostring method, guys. And this is the tostring method calling what, guys? There is a get class dot get name. Get class means get class nothing but class name it will be print, guys. Get name means this is that word, guys. Class name it will be print with that word, guys. What we have to call? There is a unreadable format is there, guys. Hash code, is it possible to this line you are going to readable, guys? After at the rate you people are readable, it's
No.
some data will be generated. We can call as a hash code. We can tell as a hash code, guys. You people can check here, guys. There is a hash code method is there.
Yes, sir.
Hash code method it will be generated this line, right? Really it is this twisting method available inside that object class or not? Can we check, guys, that? You can go and check into that. This is that object class, guys. Getting or not?
Yes.
Yeah, you people are I think you people really surprised here. Internal how it is happened,
Yes, sir.
right? You people to know, guys, these things previously. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but I forget this concept.
Sorry?
Sir, actually, I forget this concept.
You are forgetted, you know, you know, but you are forgetted, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no need to forget, guys. You should be remembered this. Okay, you can
Sir,
check.
dashboard is important.
Yeah, you should be required, right, guys? Everything is that important in that Java, right? So this is
Sir,
the
for which purpose it is required?
which purpose it is required to that hash code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm printing to that string class object. What, guys? Object class hash code printing here. Yes or no? I don't want to print this object class hash code. I need to print my class hash code. That is the purpose it's required. How I can print my what, guys? My class hash code. I need to print my. I don't want to print this string. What, guys? Object class hash code I don't want to print. I need to print what, guys? My class object I need to print. Then what should I to do here, guys? You can go and generate what, guys? There is a one of the method. Wow, we can generate one toString method here, guys. How I'm going to generating? You people can check here, guys. I don't want. What is the required? You are asking, right? I don't want print this object classes hash code. I want to print my class data, guys. My class data I need to print. What are the data is there? I'm going to passing 101 and Srenu. I need to print this only. What should I to do here, guys? If people can check here. I'm going to generating here. I'm going to generating what, guys? Source and toString generate. It will be written what, guys? It will be written my class data, this method. You people can check here, guys, what it is going to return. You people can check here. String example data, it will be print, guys. String example data means there is a I and name. Yes or no, guys? This is that I is that variable and name also variable. This is the data it will be print for this data. Now you can run this application, guys. Guys, getting or not?
Yes,
Yeah, this is the way we can use for that tostring method, guys. Right? Tomorrow you should be override this tostring method in your project. Tostring method we can override, equal method we can override, and what, guys, constructor, zero parameter constructor we can override, and parameterized constructor we can override, and what, guys, getter, setter, all those things we can override inside that our bean class or model class or what, guys, entity class. Then this is a logic we can get.
Sir, one more method is there, the comparative method.
Yeah, comparative method available in where? Comparative method available in where, guys? Which interface it's available? I'm not asking here in this scenario getting any compare method, comparative method, guys. Just equal method. I'm talking about that equal method. Compare and comparator. Compare method and comparative method is that available in compare and comparable interface and comparator interface. That is the concept is different, guys.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can print that all those things, guys. That equal method, what is the purpose of that equal method? What is the purpose of that equal method? What is the purpose of that hash code method? You people too getting, right? Guys, you
Yes,
people
sir.
can, you people, sorry.
Yes, sir, we got 100%.
Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm giving that all the methods into that string classes. What is the, how we can check that string? What are the length of the string? What is that word, guys? What, guys? Uppercase, lowercase, all the method in string class can contain some few methods, guys. By using these few methods, you can practice, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I given that every example, every method here, you people can practice. Okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. We will complete tomorrow. What, guys? String builder is there. Then that concept will be enough, guys. This is that concept that very, very important, guys. That is the reason, right? There is a string buffer also. I'm giving that few examples, guys. You people can practice here, right?
Yes.
Last thing we
So
can
after StringBuffer, what we discuss the next one?
string builder.
String builder after Posa is completed.
Not for Java. It is very, very
Collections also there, collection framework.
exception handling not required for you guys.
Exception handling requires most important.
Without exception handling, there is no projects, guys, in your application. Exception handling also required. Everything required, guys. In real time, you people are thinking how you are thinking. I don't know exactly, but in real time scenario, core Java is that very, very, very important. And what we are going to discuss in each and everything we will use in our project, guys. Really, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the reason. If you people are strong into that, then you will get much knowledge, right, guys? Without knowledge, if you enter into that project, there is no use. At that moment, you can search always what, guys, Google, what it will be do, what it will be do. At that moment, if you people to ask what happened internally, I'm not able to explain. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
That is
sir, actually, team 30 Java guys or testing?
Team 40 is that Java. project.
Sir, actually want to talk with them. So how can I connect them?
Yeah, you can inform to that word guys, Navin. Navin is there, right?
No, sir, in our group for Navin.
No.
Project manager.
Project manager. You can ask to him guys. Because of if you want to talk with the teams, then you can ask. Means what regarding you are going to ask talk with them?
Sir, actually want to talk about like the project like.
Yeah, you can get the data from that Navin. Okay.
Sir, any team member actually want to talk.
Sorry.
Sir, any team member.